Yeah. Hi Vikas. Hi. Let's start. Let's start the class. Sorry today late. Call everyone. Call everyone. Vikas, call everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. And give me 2 minutes. I have to restart. I have to restart. Give me 2 minutes. I'm sorry for that. Give me 2 minutes. I will come back again. I have to restart the system. I have to restart. Call everyone. Call everyone. So give me a few minutes. Yeah, fine. I hope everything is fine now. Now everything is fine. Let's start. Sorry for inconvenience. Write down now. Static variable. Some pen problem. Just wait. Yeah, sorry for inconvenience. Sometimes it will happen. The electronic devices, right? Sometimes it will be like this. Okay, fine. That is okay. So let's start the today's class. Static variable. Write down everyone. Static variable. Today's topic is static variable. Yeah. So can you go ahead? Let me know if any audio video is okay or not. Let me know audio video okay or not. Check everyone. Is audio video okay or not? Let's verify. Check audio video okay or not. Can we go ahead? Yeah. Now write down now. Static variable. Today's class. This is the right. I from the last few minutes some technical issues. Sometimes it will happen. Yeah. Now concentrate on this. Static variable. Today's class is static variable. Remember, it is a very important topic. This topic is very important. This is the very important topic. Every year one question will come from this. I am keeping so many star operator. Every year one question guarantee will come from this. Not 1 or 2. Every year's one question guarantee. Not 1 or 2 years. That every year is coming. Static variable. What exactly it is, I will explain. What exactly static variable is, with the help of right in today's class, I'm going to cover it. So please go ahead, everyone. Start writing. Start writing. First problem. First problem. Main. First problem. Main. Int. First problem. Main. Int. Where is equal to 5. Main int where is equal to 5 if where main printf percentage d where minus end of this where end of this. Yeah, this is the first problem. This is the first problem of today's class. This is the first problem of today's class. Can you try, all the people, can you try this? Today's class, it is the first problem. Int where is equal to 5 if where main printf percentage d where minus. Yeah, my request to all the people, can you try this? Can you try this? Yeah, can you try this? Everyone, can you try this? Hi Siddharth, hi everyone. This is the first problem of today's class. Can you go ahead? It is the first problem of today's class. Can you go ahead? What is the answer for this? Everyone try. Everyone please try. What is the output of this? It is a recursive program. Main calling main. Main calling main. It is a recursive program. Can you go ahead? Main calling main. Can you go ahead? It is a recursive program. Main calling main. Everyone try this. It's the first problem. It's the first problem. Everyone try this. I am going to give answer. Can you try your opinion? What is the output of this program? Try everyone. Even though wrong, no problem. Because he's saying that printf won't get a chance to execute because of recursive main. So what is the answer? Everyone, can you try this? What is the answer? Stack Overflow error. Stack Overflow error. Many people saying that Stack Overflow error. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's go inside and let's execute. Let's go inside and let's execute. I'm executing now. I'm executing. Can you see everyone? Can you see everyone? Everyone see this. I'm executing. But before executing, I want to clarify few doubts to all of you. Before executing, I want to clarify all of you few things. See everyone? Before going to execute this problem, I want to say a few things to all of you. Can you see this? Can you see everyone? See everyone. If 5 true. Next one. If 20 true. If anyone don't know, please take care. If 5 true. If 20 true. If minus 10 true. If minus 70 true. If 5 true. If 20 true. If minus 10 true. If minus 70 true. So remember everyone. Remember everyone. If 0 false, only for 0 it will false. If condition false, conditional statement, if is called conditional, conditional statement is false only for 0. This also 0.0 is also 0. It is also 0, right? If 0, right? If 0 false, if 0.0 false, remember, right? I'm writing now. Conditional statement. If anyone don't know, please take care. Conditional statement. True for each. Conditional statement true for each non-zero. Conditional statement true for each non-zero. Non-zero, that may be positive, that may be negative, doesn't matter. Conditional statement true for each non-zero. Conditional statement fail for 0. It fails for 0. If anyone don't know, please take care. If anyone don't know this, please take care. If anyone don't know this, please take care. Sir, I don't know. Please take care of this. Conditional statement true. It is the true. Conditional statement true. For each non-zero. Non-zero may be positive, non-zero may be negative. It fails for 0. Okay, that is okay. Everyone know. If anyone don't know, please take care. Everyone know. If anyone don't know, please take care. And one more thing. Can you see one more thing? Can you see one more thing? Where is 5? Careful. Where is 5? Where is 5? Everyone observe. Where is 5? See the answer. Where is 5? X is equal to where minus minus, or in the place of where, let me write x only. Let me write x only so that it will become easy. X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Right? Now see what I am doing. Y is equal to x minus minus. Printf x comma y. Check. Y is equal to minus minus x. Printf x comma y. Please try to find out what the output of this. Please try to find out what is the output of this. X is equal to 5, y is equal to x minus minus, printf x comma y. X is equal to 5, y is equal to minus minus x, printf x comma y. Can you find out? Can you find out what is the output of? What is the output of this? What is the left side output? What is the right side output? Can you complete this also? Can you complete this also? X is equal to 5. Left side, y is equal to x minus minus, printf x comma y. Y is equal to minus minus x, printf x comma y. Can you try this? If anyone don't know, can you try one time? Can you try one time? So if you see this one, x value 5, listen, x value 5, 5 minus minus, which is 5 only, because it is a post decrementation. Post decrementation means when you done this one, it is not done here, right? See this one, x minus minus, x value 5, 5 minus minus is 5 only, so y is 5. After this line is over, this line is over, x value will change, right? At that line x value 5 only, 5 minus minus is 5 only at that line. After that line is over, x will update. So x will become right 4. X will become 4, y is 5 only, because this is the post decrementation. Post decrementation means at that time, right? It don't affect. It will affect afterwards. At that time, it don't affect. It will affect afterwards. I will give best example also. Post decrementation, post incrementation. I will give one best example also. If anyone don't know, please remember this example. Please remember post decrementation. Post decrementation. You go to the right. Supposition that someone went to hospital. I'm giving nice example also. You'll remember many days, right? Someone went to the hospital. Someone went to some teeth problem. Someone went to the hospital. What the doctors will do is, some teeth problem. They want to remove that teeth. Doctors got to know that I think teeth is damaged, right? They want to remove it. So you know very well, if they remove directly, problem will come. What they will do is they will give painkiller. Whichever teeth they want to delete, right? So at that place they will give painkiller. So after giving the painkiller, then in that area wherever painkiller is given, in that area no pain will be there. No pain. Then what they will do is they will take some devices, they will remove the teeth. One person went to because of some teeth problem, one person went to the hospital. In that hospital, doctors got to know teeth is almost damaged, they want to remove it. So they give him the painkiller. So after painkiller is given, after 4 or 5 minutes, right? So doctors will say to him, come, right? He came. So they took some device, they removed the teeth. So even though doctors are removing teeth, the person, right, who is having this problem, even doctors are removing. So he is laughing. Doctors are removing his teeth, but people are laughing, right? Sorry, that person is laughing. Doctors took the knife, they're removing his teeth, but still he is laughing, means pain not there. So whenever, what is the meaning of post decrementation is, whenever they are removing the teeth, that time no pain. Because the painkiller is given, that time no pain. So doctor said that, yeah, we removed the teeth also, now you can go. So then that person started going, After 5 minutes off, after 5 minutes over, then pain started coming. So whenever they are removing the teeth, that time no pain. After half an hour, actual drama will start. The actual drama will start after half an hour, or maybe after 10 minutes. But actual drama will start. Whenever they are removing the teeth, you don't have pain. After removal, after half an hour, there is a pain starting. This is called as post decrementation. Post decrementation. When you say post decrementation, that time it don't affect. It will affect afterwards. That is called post decrementation. Same way post incrementation also. So if you want, you can check this one. X value 5. 5 minus 5. 5 minus minus. That time it don't affect. 5 minus minus is 5 only. That 5 will store in the y. After that line is over, x value becomes 4. So 4 comma 5 printed. That is the meaning of post decrementation. Let's see pre-decrementation also. I written on the right side pre-decrementation. Can you help me now? X value 5. Minus minus 5 is 4 only. So y value 4. So after this line is over, right? X also 4, y also 4 will be printed. X also 4, y also. In the case of the pre-decrementation, no postpone. Pre-decrementation, no postpone. But post-decrementation, there is a postpone. Pre-decrementation, no problem. Right? So that pre-decrementation, immediately it will decrease. Post-decrementation, it will decrement afterwards. I will give one example also pre-decrementation. Pre-decrementation means before only it will decrement. So sometimes in life also pre-decrementation. I will say example also. See, you are standing like this. So listen, you are standing like this. I don't do anything. I just do like this. So you will close the eyes. Even I'm not right. I'm not doing anything to your eyes. I just came to close. You will right. So when my hand came very nearer to your eyes, you will close the eyes. This is called pre-decrementation. Before only you are closing. So my hand came to close to your eyes. So before only your eyes are closed. Otherwise, see this one. Otherwise, I will take the gun and I will show gun to you. I will take the original gun and I will show to you. Immediately you will get fear. No, I don't do me. Don't do me like that. You will keep on crying. I have a gun, real gun. I will take that gun. I will keep this one. Goli maro. I will just keep like this. Then immediately you start crying. This is called as pre-decrementation. Or right? Pre-decrementation or pre-incrementation. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Small doubt also there, let me know. Take the gun, just say Goli Mardo. Just say, right? So, right, Avanish is there. Take the gun, keep the gun on Avanish like this. Even I am not done anything, you will say, don't do anything to me. Don't kill me. I am the only son to my parents. Don't kill me. So this is called pre-decrementation. I hope you got it. In the case of the post-decrementation, pain will come afterwards. In the case of pre-decrementation, pain will come before only. Can we move further? Can we move further? Can we move? Bro, can we move? Hello, 1 2 3 mic testing. Hello, 1 2 3 mic testing. Can we move further? Can we move further? Yeah, now come to the story. So you know post decrementation, you know pre-decrementation. If you have small doubts also, you can clarify. Remember, before only fear. Oh, pre-decrementation, pre-incrementation. So afterwards fear. That is going to be post decrementation or post incrementation. Many people know, only for namesake I explain. And one more, conditional statement is true. for every non-zero. Conditional statement is true for every non-zero. Remember this story also. Conditional statement true for every non-zero. Every non-zero conditional statement is true. Every non-zero conditional statement is true. Right? Okay, if you are okay, let's come to this problem. Many people give an answer also. Let's see this problem. Don't worry, don't worry. What is the meaning of recursion? Executing the same thing again and again. See this one, first line. First line, second line. If the second one is true, then only go inside. 3, 4. 3, 4 will execute if the second statement is true. Remember, in this program, totally 4 statements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. If 2 is true, then only 3, 4. The second line is true, then only 3, 4. Second condition is fail, so you will go here. Second condition fail means you will go here. Afterwards, you will go here. Program is over. Let me run. Listen, if you want to run the program, first you have to compile. When I compile, there is no global variable. If I compile, there is no global variable. So no memory, nothing. So let me run the program. Main. See the answer, main program. I compiled, there is no global variable, nothing. Now I am running the program. So remember, it is a stack. It is a stack. In the stack, right? This program is running. So first statement, second statement. If the second is true, 3, 4, I will execute. Then end of the program. Then end of the program. Let's see the first line. Int var is equal to 5. Where memory will allocate. Where value is 5. Address of this particular variable is 1000. So first line is over. Declaration means creating memory. Declaration means creating memory. Yes, I created. See the second line. See the second line. Declaration. So creating memory. Okay. See the second line. If where, I think where value 4. Where value is 5. If 5, condition true. Whenever second statement is true, I will execute 3 and 4. Second true, then 3, 4. What are the 3? What are the 3? I think 3 is a main recursion. So main means what? Same story will execute again. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4. See the first line. Where again memory will allocate. Address is 2000. What is the meaning of allocating memory again? So different memory location. Value is 5. So see the second line. If where, if 5, condition true. Condition true. Whenever true, go inside. Go inside. 3, 4. Let's go to the 3. What are the 3? Again main will call. Again main will call. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See the first line. So where, right? Memory create again. Value is 5. Address is 3000. What is the meaning of creating memory again? Means a different memory. So second line. If where, if 5, condition true, then 3, 4. I think if you see this one, see, everything is a push operation. It is a stack. It is a stack. See this one. This is the push. First push is this. Next push is this. Next push is this. One by one, you are keep on pushing. Right? I think when you are doing, this is the stack. When you are keep on doing, this is the stack. Nowhere it will end. But remember, every function call is a push operation. But push operation means inside stack. Every function call is a push operation. Push operation means inside stack. Remember, this is the stack. This is the stack. This is the stack. Inside stack, first it will push. Next it will push. Next it will push. But remember, stack is a memory. It is having some limited space. Stack is a memory. It is having some limited space. When you are keep on pushing, right, I think stack space is over. At some point of time, this program will stop itself. It will give error message, stack overflow error message. Stack overflow error message. It is keep on going. Every function call is a push operation. Keep on pushing, keep on pushing, keep on pushing. Unfortunately, stack space is over. So program will stop. It will give error message. Stack overflow error message. Some people are thinking that, sir, is it Stack Overflow website name? Ready, sir, it is a Stack Overflow website name. One, right, the person who kept name Stack Overflow, you can file a case on him. He is misleading people. The person who kept the name Stack Overflow, he is misleading people. It is a Stack Overflow error message. It is not Stack Overflow website. This person, I don't know who created this website, Stack Overflow. You can file a case on him. He is misleading so many people. Not one person, two person. He is misleading so many people. You keep on pushing, see, in the stack, first function push, second also, third also. When you keep on pushing, at some point of time, stack space is over. So the program which is running, it will stop. The program which is running, it will stop. Abruptly means suddenly, the program which is running, it will stop. And it will give error message on the screen, stack overflow. Those people, those students who are innocent student, stack overflow, they will go to Stack Overflow website. There are some innocent students are there, by seeing Stack Overflow, they got to know, oh, I have to go to Stack Overflow website. They will go to Stack Overflow website. Bhaiya, it is not Stack Overflow website. It is Bhaiya, it is the error message. It is the error message. What is the meaning of Stack Overflow? You keep on pushing in the stack space is over. Then it will give error message, Stack Overflow error message. This program will give Stack Overflow error message. It's another way of saying is normal way, not programming terminology. Normal way, people will say infinite loop. Remember, it is not a infinite loop. It is not a infinite loop. At some point of time, stack space over. So you cannot push further. Means, but function call means push operation. Function calling is push operation. You keep on calling. Every call is a push operation. Some point of time, stack space over. Program will stop. It will give error message, stack overflow. Remember, it is not a infinite loop. It look like a infinite loop, but it is not a infinite loop. It is a stack overflow error message. Let me know any objection. Let me know any objection. Careful, everyone. Everyone say any objection. Bro. Hello. Any objection? Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, chalo then. Chalo, next one. Because of your little bit okay. Now see the next one. So the output of the above program is, there is no output, simply Stack Overflow error message will come. Now take the another problem. Take the another problem. Main. Careful everyone. Main int var is equal to 5 if var printf %d var main. Yeah, can you try this problem? Let's see how many people will give answer. Can you try this? Everyone try. What is the output of this? Very less people will give answer. Let me check. Very less people will give answer. Let me check. Everyone try this. Everyone try. It's the second model. One model I done. It is the second model. Can you try, everyone? What is the output of this program? Please type, everyone, what is the output? Please type everyone what is the output. If you sit idle, you don't get. If you try, you will get. Programming, always you have to try. Programming, always you have to try. हर्ष is saying, sir, 2026 का पेपर भी आपका नोट से आएगा. Not 2026 भैया, every year. अरे हर्षो, every year notes only. Just they will change the numbers. Sometimes no changing also. As it is, they will give. Not only 2026, every year. Just see one time. One time you study all. PYQs one time practice enough. One time see the total class lecture, right? So previous papers one time you practice, mostly same thing will be copied. Can you say what is the output of this program? Shikhar saying 5, 5, 5, 4 times 5. Shikhar, how many times 5? Shikhar, how many times 5? Shikhar, how many times 5? Everyone try. So Vikas saying that 5 will be printed infinite time. Sir, many times. Sir, many times. Vikas saying that many times. Shikhar also saying many times. 5 will be printed many times. Let's try. Let me try the answer. I'm trying. See everyone. 1 here, 2 here. If the second is true, 3, 4. If second is true, then 3, 4. Second is not true, then out of the program. So let me execute now. I'm executing. Can you see this one? Main. No global variable, no problem. No global variable, no problem. Can you see the first line? Can you see the first line? Where memory will be created. Value is 5, address is 1000. Okay. Second line. If 5 condition true, you have to execute inside 3, 4. If the second condition true, you have to execute 3, 4. What are the 3? So remember when you come inside 2, 3 and 4 compulsory how to execute. Let me execute 3. What are the 3? Print where. What is the where value? 5. So 5 will be printed. Now go to the 4. So recursion. Main. Can you see in the main? First line, second line. Second true, 3, 4. What is the first one? Memory will be created. Value 5. Address is 2000. First line over. Second line, if 5, yes, true. Then what is the third line? Print 5, okay. Then again main called. Again main called. In the main, first line, second line. 3, 4. What is the one? Memory will create. Value 5. Address is I think 3000. First line over. Second line. If 5 condition true. Then 3. Print where 5 will be printed. Again main. I think the story will continue. Do you believe or not? Right? Here if you observe clearly, anywhere decrementation? No. Anywhere decrementation? No. So that is the reason it is keep on going infinite loop. Let me do small change. I don't know how many people will give answer. Let me do small change. See, because of nowhere changing, it is going to infinite loop. I'm doing small change. I'm expecting answer from all the people. So in the problem, what I given to that problem answer is 5, 5, 5 will be printed infinite time. But right, it will give error message. Let me write now. If it is like this, 5, 5, 5, 5 like that keep on going, stack overflow error message will come here also. Stack overflow error message will come here also. 5, 5 will be printed. See, it is a push. It is also push. Stack overflow error message here also. Infinite time 5 is not printed. Infinite time 5 is not printed. 5 will be keep on printing. After some point, right, program will stop by giving error message stack overflow. It don't print infinite time. It don't print infinite time. It want to print infinite time, but in between stack is over. So it will print 5 sometime. After some time, program will stop by giving error message stack overflow. It is also like a previous one, same story. Previously also stack overflow, here also stack overflow. But here, before going to give stack overflow, it will print few fives. In the above one, nothing will be printed. But here, few fives will be printed. 5. So many fives will be printed. After some point, stack overflow error message will come. Remember, above also stack overflow, below also stack overflow. Above program also don't go to infinite loop. This program also don't go to infinite loop, because when he's trying to go infinite loop, in between only stack space is over. So it will give error message stack overflow. So the output of this program, above program, is stack overflow error message, which is the runtime error. While running this problem came runtime error. It is a runtime error. It is not infinite loop. It is a runtime error. Above also runtime error, below also runtime error. It is also runtime error. Above also runtime error, below also runtime error. So people saying that, sir, this will go to infinite loop. No, it want to go to infinite, but infinite time going means infinite push operation. But stack having limited space. After some point of time, when you call a function, means push operation, but space not there. So after some time, program will stop. Stack overflow error message, which is the runtime error. Same story here also. Here also stack overflow error message after some time, but before that it will print 5. Few fives will be printed. That may be 10,000 fives, that may be 1 lakh 5, depending upon how much space is there in the stack. If the stack having more space, more fives will be printed. Afterwards, stack overflow error message. If the system is having limited stack space, very less fives will be printed. Afterwards, stack overflow error message. Let me know any objection. This program also stack overflow error message, but before going to print stack overflow error message, few fives will be printed. Few fives will be printed. It is not infinite loop. It is not infinite loop. It is not infinite loop. Yes, exactly. It is not infinite loop. Those people who said infinite loop, it look like that, but it is not. It look like that, but it is not. Someone is saying, sir, I want to enroll. Can you give more discount? See, we are already giving 70% discount. We are already giving 70% discount. We are already giving 70%. You can use code EPT 595 ARJ. So I think it is a recently this, right? So until yesterday, some offer is there. Now this is the best offer. 70% is the best offer. You can utilize. Those people who want to join, you can join. Those people who want to join, you can join. So after June, there is no new batch. No new batch. It is the last batch. It is the last batch because time is not enough. No new batch. It is the last batch. It is the last batch for the year 2026. Time is not enough. Time is not enough. My request to everyone. Check one time. Maybe some update is going on. Siddharth, some update is going on. Some update is going on. It will work after few, I think after maybe few minutes. Some update is going on. Actually, that update will be yesterday only because of some reason. It is postponed. Some update going on. It will be done, right? I think they mentioned in the group also. In one of the group is they mentioned, right? Fine. Thanks for informing. Yeah. So right. So for the 2026, only 8 months are there. If anyone is not join. So anyhow, answer for this problem is stack overflow error message. Now there is one nice problem. I don't know how many people will give answer for this. There is one nice problem is going on. Can you see this one? Nice problem. This problem is going to be very interesting. Let's see. Main. main int var is equal to 5. Main int var is equal to 5. Yeah, afterwards, if var printf percentage d var minus minus main. Let's see how many people will give answer. What is the output of this program? What is the output of this program? Very less people will give answer. Let's check. Very less people will give answer. Let's check. Try everyone. Try everyone. What is the output of this program? Everyone try. Everyone try. Try everyone. If anyone not trying, please try. Until unless you try, you don't know where you go wrong. Mostly this problem, everyone will give wrong answer. Let's check. Can I give answer? Yeah, what is the answer? Let's see. What is your response? What is the answer? It is a pre-decrementation. Remember, it is a pre-decrementation. Remember, it is a pre-decrementation. Remember, it is a pre-decrementation. It is a pre-decrementation. It is a 1, it is a 1, it is a 2, it is a 3, it is a 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let me execute one time. Let me execute one time. Everyone see main. So first one, see this one. First one, when you run this function, local variable memory will allocate. See this one. Whenever memory allocated, value is 5, address 1000. So first line is over. Can you see the second line? Can you see the second line? If 5 condition true. So whenever second true, 3, 4. What is the 3? What is the 3? See this one. What is the 3? Print a percentage d minus where. Remember minus where. So first it will decrement. It became 4. Then it will print. So where is 5? Minus 5 is 4. So print 4. 4 will be printed. 4 will be printed. Then it will update also. Yes. Now see the answer. Again main called. See the interesting answer. Again main called. In the main, see this one. First line. What is the answer? Create memory again. Remember, create memory again. Okay. When you create memory again, you have to reinitialize again. When you create memory again, you have to initialize again. Same value 5, but some other memory location created. Second line. If 5 condition true. Then 3, 4 will execute. What are the 3? Print percentage d minus where. Where is 5? Minus 5 is 4. So 4 will be printed. Afterwards, this will change it to 4. Next one, again main called. Interesting thing here is how many times main called, those many times where memory will be created. Whenever memory created, it will reinitialize again. First where created, value will be 5, address location 1000. Whenever second time again where created, value 5, address is 2000. Again third time where is created, value is 5, address is 3000. So remember, every time memory will allocate, every time memory will create, every time it will be reinitialized to 5. So this will keep on going. So if 5 condition is true, then 3, 4. What is the 3? So print minus where 4 will be printed. Then it will change. So same story will repeat. I think if you observe clearly, 4, 4, 4, 4, keep on printing. This is also Stack Overflow error message. This is also Stack Overflow error message. But no assignment, so same. Someone is saying no assignment, so same. So I think Shikhar, even though assignment is there, answer will be same one. The reason is, right, again reinitializing every time, where will be 5. Then minus where print. Then again same story will repeat. So Stack Overflow error message will come. This problem, previous problem, please try to understand everyone. Stack Overflow error message 4, 4, 4, 4 will be keep on printing. After some point of time, it will stop printing. It will give error message Stack Overflow. Suppose Shikhar, suppose using that it is not minus where minus. Suppose it is not minus where minus. Then what happened is 5 will be printed. Are you getting? Same program. In the place of minus where minus. Then answer is 5 will be printed. It is not same. Shikhar, that's what I am saying. It is not same. It will print 5. Okay? Same program in the place of minus where, if I keep where minus, right? So definitely it is a different answer. Where minus. then I think every time, if at all like this, 5 will be printed. If at all like this, 4 will be printed. Check if you want. But interesting thing is, in both the cases, Stack Overflow error message you will get. In both the cases, Stack Overflow error message you will get. In both the cases, Stack Overflow error message you will get. Fine. In both the cases, you will find out Stack Overflow error message. It's a very tricky problem, Let's see how many people got it. It's a very tricky problem. Let's see how many people got it. Check everyone. Minus where answer is going to be 4 after some time Stack Overflow error message. If at all where minus 5 will be printed, after some time Stack Overflow error message will come. In both the cases Stack Overflow error message will come, but minus where, right? Minus where 4 will be printed initially. Where minus, right? Initially 5 will be printed. Okay, that is okay. But understand everyone, can you understand this? One nice problem, one nice point is coming. Can you understand this? Can you understand this one? Everyone listen. Same program, careful. Everyone listen. Same program in the place of int var. Careful. In the place of int var, if I write static int var, if I write static int var, in the place of int var, static int var, if I write, can you see the effect? Everyone listen, can you see the effect? First, to compile the program. Remember everyone, same program in the place of int var. If I write static int var, if I write, then what happened is this program compile time itself memory will allocate. This program compile time itself memory will allocate. If you write static int var, compile time itself, even though local variable, compile time itself memory will allocate. So let's see what happened. See this one. See everyone now. For the var, memory will allocate, compile time itself, value is 5. Even though is a local variable, compile time itself memory will be allocated in the static area. In the static area of the memory, compile time itself memory will be allocated. Right? Compile time itself memory will be allocated. Now running is going on. Can you see this one? Main. Everyone observe main. See the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone catch this. First line declaration. Memory already created compile time. So first line is saying the declaration I have to create memory, but because of that static, right, processor got to know, oh, it is a static declaration. Oh, memory already created compile time. We no need to create again. By seeing static, right, because of is a local variable, while running memory should create. By seeing static, processor got to know, oh, it is a static variable. Even though local is a static variable, oh, memory already created compile time in the static area. No need to create. So first line, no creation. Second one, can you see the second one? Right? If var value how much? 5. If 5, condition true. Then see the third line. What is the third line? Minus var. Minus var print 2. Because of it is a pre-decrementation. First 4 will be printed. Minus 5, it will become 4. So I think third line is over. Can you see the fourth line? Again, recursion is called main. Can you see carefully? First line. The static int var is equal to 5, right? Because of it is static, even though local, by seeing static, oh, compiler is already created memory, no need to create. Second line, if var, remember var value 4 now, because everyone memory is this memory only. Here also this memory, because you are not creating memory again and again. Condition true, then 3, 4. What is the 3? Minus var print 2. I think 3 will be printed. Then it will become 2. Then afterwards main is called. In the main first line, right? No need to create memory. Second line, if var value is, I think what is the answer? 2. Where value is 2. 2 or 3? I think 3. Where value is 3. Right? I think condition true. So 3, 4. What is the 3? What is the 3? Print it. Print it. So what is the answer? 2 will be printed. 2 will be printed. So then it will become 2. Then again recursion is called. 1, memory will not create. 2, if 2, condition is true. 3, 4, what is the 3? Printf minus minus where 1 will be printed. So again, so main is called. Main called. In the main, first line, skip it. Second line, if where, so I think condition true. 3, 4, what is the 3? Minus minus where? Minus minus where? 0. 0 will be printed. So it became 0. Next one, main is called. Next one, main is called. In the main, first one is skipped. Second one, fail. If 0 fail. Second one is if 0 fail. Right? While coming back, right? I think all are over. So nothing will be there. So whenever it will become 0, if 0 fail. See, whenever it will become 0, if 0 fail. If 0 fail, whenever if 0 fail, you will come out of this, total function is over. Whenever last person is function is over, then it will come back. It will come back, I think, before that fourth line is completed. So then it is come back, right, before that fourth line is completed. Before that fourth line is completed. So let me write it. Before that fourth line is completed, right, then it is over. Before that fourth line is completed, then it is over. Before that fourth line is completed, because fourth line purpose only you are doing this. Whenever it is over, fourth line is over. Whenever fourth line is over, this function is completed. That means this fourth line over, this function is completed. So like that, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 will be printed. So remember, if at all same program, static is there. If at all same program, static is there. Answer is 43210. Answer is 43210 printed. This is with static. This is with static. This is without static. This is without static. This is with static. Remember, if at all static, if you write a local variable static, memory will allocate compile time only in the static area. Let me write it. Let me write it. I am writing the note. I am writing the note. For local variable, memory will allocate. Memory will be allocated at compile time. In static memory. If it declared using static keyword, for local variables, for local variable, memory will be allocated at a compile time in static area if it is declared using static keyword. So like this, even though is local, using static keyword you declared. For local variable, memory will allocate compile time in static area if you declared using static keyword. That is the first point, right? That is the first point. Second point, for static variable, memory will allocate only once. For static variable, memory will allocate only once. Because memory created compile time and compilation is only once. And compilation is only once. Because memory created a compile time and compilation is only once. For static variable, memory will allocate only once. What is the reason? Compilation also only once. Memory created compile time. Memory created compile time. Compilation is normally once. So static variable memory also only once. Next one, 3. For static variable, initialization also once. For static variable, initialization also once. If you want, you can see here. Listen, if you want, you can see, you can compare both. You can compare left also, right also. You can compare left also, right also. If you see the left side, see, I think whereas 5, next time also again 5, next time also again 5, you are reinitializing again and again. But in the case of the static variable, initialization once only. See this one, where 5. Next time also, whenever I am coming next time, again where 5 I don't keep. Right? For static variable, initialization is only once. Memory creation once. See, for static variable, memory creation only once. Memory initialization also only once. These two are very, very important point. Memory will be only once. Next one is right, initialization also only once. See, one time only 5. Further, you cannot keep 5 again. One time 5, whenever next function you are running, right? Again main is called. Again you cannot keep 5. Static variable memory one time, initialization also one time. That is the first time. Memory one time, initialization also one time. But the normal variable, memory many times, initialization also many times. Next one, fourth point. Because of static variable, by default it will store in the static area. By default value for the static variable is by default 0. Static variable by default, static variable by default assigned to 0. Static variable by default assigned to 0. These are the 4 points. For local variable, memory will be allocated at compile time in static area if it is declared using static keyword. Remember this. For static variable, memory will allocate only once because compilation also only once. For static variable, initialization also only once. Static variable by default assigned to 0. Static variable by default assigned to 0. I hope you people got it. I hope you people got it. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Small doubt also there, let me know. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. You ask me, I will help you. Small doubt also there, let me know. Check everyone. Everyone try. Everyone try. Little doubt also, let me know. Is it fine? So if you do few more problems, you will get clarity. For static allocation means global variable, see, by default global variable static area, but by default local variable in the stack area. But if you use static keyword, that will also store in the static area. Normally global static area, normally local stack area, but if you use local using the static keyword, it will also go in the static area. Shikhar, are you getting? Normally global in the static area, normally global variable in the static area, local variable in the stack area. But if you use local variable using static keyword, it will also store in the right static area. So further problems you will get more clarity. Just remember these 4 points. If anyone having small doubt, further problems you will get more clarity. Further problems you will get the more clarity. Right? Fine. Yeah. Fine. Today I think we started little late. Today we started little late. Tomorrow I will start exactly 7 p.m. Tomorrow I will start exactly 7 p.m. Today I started little late. And one more, use the code EPT 595 ARJ, 70% discount going on, use it. 70% discount going on, use it. EPT 595 ARJ, 70% discount going on, use it. Tomorrow sharply 7 o'clock I will start. So revise all the things. From here onwards you take care. From here onwards you take care. From this problem onwards you take care. From here you take care. Static variable, very important. Tomorrow 5 problems will come. Tomorrow on static variable 5 problems will come. Tomorrow on static variable 5 problems will come. Not 1 to 5 will come. 5 problems will come. While coming, read all these 4 points, come. While coming, read all the 4 points, come. 70% discount going on. If anyone not join, join now. If anyone not join, join now. It is the last batch. It is the last batch. It is the last batch. If anyone not joined, join now. If you serious about GATE 2026, about GATE 2026, if you serious, you can join. You can join this batch. It is the last batch. Yeah. So see you tomorrow. Tomorrow computer network class we will see. Tomorrow computer network class we will see. And one more, if anyone is not utilizing, please utilize. Subject-wise daily test. Subject-wise daily test. 3 daily tests are going on. 3 daily tests. 1 for the droppers. 1 for the freshers. 1 for all. 1 for all. Dropper purpose 1 daily test going on. Tough problems. Right, next one. The people who started just now. For the freshers purpose 1 daily test going on. Easy questions. Next one, for all the people, some best questions are going on. Every day 3 daily tests are going on. Every day 3. So 30 days, 90 tests. 30 days, 90 tests are going on. Every day 3 tests. 30 days means in 1 month, 90 tests are going on. 90 tests. So like that, approximately 10 months, 900 tests are we are giving freely. 900 tests we are giving freely. Please utilize. 900 tests we are giving freely. Please utilize. 20 years PYQs also we are giving freely. Short notes and long notes also we are giving freely. 6,000 verified questions for every subject. For every subject, approximately 300 to 500. Approximately 300 to 500 questions, verified questions. Like that, 13 subjects for the GATE CSE. 10 subjects for GATE DA we are giving. Next one, free doubt solving also. If anyone not joined the doubt solving, please join. AR1 notes also we are providing. AR1 notes also we are providing. So these are our toppers. From the EPTs, right? EPT Avichal got the 4th rank. From the EPT Avichal got the 4th rank. Is interviews also available in our channel. Please go through it. Our previous student Abhinav also got the 1st rank. Prabhav also got the 3rd rank. See all these ranks. This year we got so many ranks we got. You can go for it, right? See, there is a combo offer also going on. Please utilize. Combo offer also going on. If you buy the GATE CSE, if you buy GATE CSE regular, if you buy RIC course also free, test series also free. If you go for GATE DA, same story. So please go for a combo offer also. You want to go individual, you can go. Combo offer also available, utilize it. Yeah, thank you so much. See you in the next class. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Tomorrow 7 p.m. Tomorrow 7 p.m. Tomorrow 7 p.m. Computer network morning 6 a.m. Computer network morning 6 a.m. Right? Tomorrow evening exactly 7 p.m. I will start. Today because of traffic jam and some technical issue it became late. Thanks everyone. Tomorrow 6 a.m. computer network. Right? Every day 7 p.m. C programming. Right? Fine. Thanks everyone. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Where sir? CN is in the EPT. CN is in the EPT. C programming on YouTube. Chalo.